Alright guys, we're back out here with a different monster truck. A little bit smaller, and hopefully quite a bit stronger. Pardon the green wheels, I just quickly painted the outside. It looks like crap, but I just had to make it look a little bit better for the video. Anyways, what we've got here is a 21-turn 550 motor going through a little planetary gear setup on Amazon for like 20 bucks. That cleaned up a whole bunch of the gearing that I had to go on back here. This is a 1-to-5 gearbox. And then 2.42 to 1 down to the axle here. So let's take this thing out for a rip and see how she does.
The sound is loud, beat is on, people dancing to the song. Without fail, who prevails? Is your body twist and fails? Don't be shy, I can't be wrong. If you feel it, then you're strong. Party time, sipping drinks as your shoulders rise and sink. Dance to the rhythm now, smooth your feet, listen to the kicks and snares as you ride that beat.
So the problem with the last one is that it was just so big, it was quite cumbersome, and it was geared really low. This thing here, as you can tell, it's got a lot more punch. So this is on 3S, and boy, is it just fast. Like I'm trying to creep up on the throttle. If I blip it, we're gonna try to get a close-up pass by.
Anyways guys, this is Rodsoverbricks, and thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.